Hello everybody. So today we are gonna do one more animation of Synfig, that is rotation of planet. Here what we are gonna do is we will draw a sun in the middle, uh, a path for a planet to revolve around the sun. So here I have already drawn this half things. I will explain you how I've drawn this, but yeah, I've drawn it already. And this animation is a little complex one, but if you follow the steps properly it will be done perfectly. But if any one step is done wrong, then animation will not come as you wanted. Okay, so here I've already taken the background with the help of gradient. This is a one thing that I prefer, that you have to do a background. There are two ways of doing background. One is with gradient and the second is with the rectangle. In the previous video I have shown how it is done. If you don't know, you can just see the previous video, you will come to know. Here I have done the background with gradient. Then I have drawn the sun. How I have drawn is with the help of star tool. Here some things you have to keep in mind is, when you select the star tool, here you have to only select this first one, that is create star layer. None other layer should be selected, just keep in mind. Then you will go down in this, and here number of points I have taken 60. It's up to you how you want. Okay, I prefer that you take more points, then it will look good as like a sun. If you will take less points, then it will look like a star and not like a sun. Okay, that's it. This is how I have drawn the sun. Now for this whole path I have taken circle layer. Okay, in that the second one, that create outline, I have selected and just drawn it. One more thing you have to keep in mind is that whenever you are taking this all drawings, and here from the layer panel you have to check that there is no unnecessary layer. If there are any, just delete it. Okay, and if you will keep them, your animation will not look good and it will have some errors. So only necessary layer should be there. Now we also want the planet, right? So we will draw a planet also. Again, see here, from that you have to select create layer and you have to deselect this create outline layer. And see, I prefer that you should draw each and everything in the center, so it will be good for you. Okay, so here this is my planet. I will do it little small, otherwise it will look like planet is bigger than sun. But yeah, this is all. Now I am having only 4 layers here. One is the gradient, that is background. Then the sun one I have drawn. Then this is the outline. And this is the circle. Okay. Now you have to just click on this circle. Right click on it. I'm very sorry. After right click, just new layer, go on new layer, transform and rotate. Okay, the name is rotate because I had clicked on the circle layer, it had come like this. But yeah, this is rotate. Now press shift and select both of this, rotate and circle. Now bring this circle's duck. See, this all small points are known as duck. I hope that you know this. So green duck of circle should come on green duck of rotate. You see to it that they are exactly on each other, and I suggest that you just follow the steps I have done. You don't do any unnecessary things, otherwise the things will go wrong. So keep all the things in the center only, it is more preferable. And bring the circle's duck to the rotates one. And now with help of Ctrl or Shift, you again select this both things, right click, group layer. Okay, now grouping is done. Now comes the main step. Okay, so for that you have to expand the group. Here plus symbol is there. on the group, just click on it to expand it. Okay, it is expanded. Now comes the main step. Click on control and now select group. Only select group and don't leave your hand from the control key. You have to press it only till the whole process is completed. Now go to this duck, which is here. You can see only one duck. Now you have to click it on that duck, but remember one thing, that when you go there, see here, if you will see the orange color. When it is orange, don't click it, but when you will see green color, at that time you have to click. When you will click on that duck, that dark green duck will be converted to light green duck. So it should be light green duck after you click it on it. But when it is orange, don't click on it. When it is green, then only click on it. Then you have to click on rotate. Again I am repeating, don't leave this control key. You have to hold it till your whole process get completed. Then on rotate you have to click, and from here you have to click on this blue duck. Okay, after that this outline, circle outline one. Then from here you have to right click and link to spline. So here if you can see, this circle has automatically got linked to this whole path. See, can you see? Here it is. Now I will also show you the animation, but this is how you will link that circle to the path. Please follow these steps only, then only your animation will go perfectly right. Now I am doing the animation part. It is the same only, but if you want to see, I will just show you. At 0F, press enter, and you can just change the position of it as you want. Then at 3S, I will move. I'm so sorry, just green duck should be only moved. Yeah, see. Okay, for 3S I want the planet to be here. Then at 5S I want this again to be I don't know where the oh shit, circle went here. So only I told that don't make any mistakes. You just bring them together. See, it will come. I'm sorry for the blunder here, but see, you have to keep in mind that whenever you move this, you have to move very carefully. Don't move the wrong duck. Yeah, this is the one that you have to move. Okay, please see to it. I have made the blunder, don't make it. I'm very sorry for that blunder, but when you move, just see to it that you are moving the correct one. This long one should not be moved, but this short one, smaller one with the orange duck with it, you have to move that one. Okay, so now I will off this animation editing mode. Then at 0F, okay, the position is okay. Now just see the animation. I hope that it's right only. Okay, so here with some of the blunders I have done this, so it's wrong. So what I will be doing is I will showing you this animation part again, but till the link of spline it is very much correct. So in the next video I will just show you this part again, because I have done some blunder in this while making the animation. So till till where I have done this link of SP line, that's perfectly right. I will make one more video in which I will show you the animation by correcting my errors. Okay, so yeah, you can follow the path till, you can follow the steps till linking of that planet to the SP line. I'm very much sorry for the blunder of that animation, but I will solve it and make one more video on it, how to do that animation portion. I'm very sorry.